Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we are about to embark on an exciting journey into the world of cutting-edge technology. Are you ready to unlock the power of ChatGPT and revolutionize your daily life even further? Awesome. In this video, we will guide step by step on how to create your very own WordPress plugin using ChatGPT. So, let's dive in. Alright. First thing first, you will need to log into your ChatGPT account. Once you are in, you will be greeted by a clean and user-friendly interface. If you prefer a more minimalistic look, you can easily collapse the left sidebar. Now, let's begin by writing the prompt for our WordPress plugin. We want to add some custom CSS to our WordPress website. Just press the enter button. And ChatGPT will start generating the code and guiding us through the process with 6 easy to follow steps. Step 1 is simple. Log into your WordPress website and we are ready to roll. To access the plugin file directory without navigating through the dashboard, we will install the File Manager plugin. Go to the plugins into the left sidebar and follow the steps I am showing you. Search for File Manager among the many WordPress plugins available. Choose the first one, call it File Manager, which is a directory management plugin. Proceed to install and activate it. Easy, right? Now, let's head back to the ChatGPT to read the instruction for step 1. And then switch back to the plugin dashboard. Click WP Content followed by the plugins. Here we will create a new folder and name it after our plugin. I'm going with My Custom CSS. After creating the folder, let's make a PHP file with the same name. Open the PHP file on your code editor and switch back to ChatGPT for the next steps. ChatGPT provides us with essential code to add important information about our plugin. Feel free to modify it to suit your preferences. Next, we will add functional code to make the plugin as well functional. Copy the PHP code from the step 3 and paste it into our PHP file. For the final touch, we will include the code from step 4 to enhance the plugin Frontend. And voila, our plugin is almost ready. Follow step 5 and 6 as guided by ChatGPT. And when you are done, don't forget to save and close the PHP file. Now, head to the plugin option in your WordPress dashboard. Exciting times ahead. Our plugin, My Custom CSS, has been successfully created. Click Activate to make it fully functional. To check out the plugin's functionality, go to the Settings and find Custom CSS option. This is the sleek interface of our Custom CSS plugin, where you can add your own code as you desire. But wait, that's not all. Let's see how we can install the plugin on another website. Head back to the File Manager plugin and make zip archive your newly created plugin. Then right-click and download the zip archive. Log into your other WordPress website and just like any other plugin, install it using the standard procedure. Congratulations! In just 5 minutes, we have created a remarkable WordPress plugin using power of ChatGPT. The possibilities are endless, and now you have the tools to shape your website's functionality exactly how you envision it. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the boundaries of technology. For more WordPress tips and tricks and exciting tech content, make sure to subscribe to our WPinLearn and stay updated with our latest videos.